part 2 of building a deck.
Last week we dug the holes and concreted in the post, and we left you with the concrete waiting to be set.
The concrete set. Today, what are we doing today, Mike?
We've got to put in the joists and the decking.
Yes, that's exciting. So, shall we do our little magic trick?
Yeah, let's get going.
What the hell's this, Mike?
It's a hammer. It's a baby hammer for baby hammering.
Did you make this?
No.
Seriously, look at this hammer he's given me.
It was my dad's.
Oh, okay.
Don't make fun of it.
It's got sentimental value, but look.
A man hammer. A girl hammer.
What is Mike up to today? Let's see how he's getting on with our decking. Wow, it's amazing, Mike. He can't hear me because he's got his headphones on. What you doing?
Oh. Hi, just putting in some joists, ready for my decking to go on.
Okay, so these are joists, are they? These little things going across this way, is that right? Yep. So he's putting these little things on. What are these things called, these metal things, Mike?
Joist hangers.
Joist hangers. Can you explain what the joist hangers are?
They're what they're called, joist hangers. They're what you hang your joists on.
Yeah. You could just nail them straight in apparently, but I'm not sure why Mike decided to do it like that. And I basically have no idea. Look at this amazing day. What a late start today. My dad's 90th birthday last night, so we're a little bit hungover today. But it's going to be the last nice day for a little while, so I'm going to have to do something. 17 degrees, middle of winter, and it's 17 degrees today. Lovely. We're trying to get the decking finished, and it's just started to rain. It's going to be raining all week, so Mike's bringing out the gazebo. You probably want a hand with that. That was quickly done, wasn't it, Mike?
It was. I love this gazebo. It's so easy to put up, but noticing this.
Oh, there's a few rips in it. I wouldn't worry about it. It's pretty
rips,
old. We've had it for years. But yeah, it'd be help keep the stuff off the power tools. So this is what Mike's done so far with our decking. He's done all this. I'm not going to explain what he's done because I have no idea. He just did it.
That's the framing.
The framing for it. So now we just got to put the decking boards on. He's put one on. Just there. And we haven't been able to do anything on our decking, but we're about to get cracking again. This is next day of putting on the boards. So let's get my boots on. My hammer, which isn't a microphone, and some nails, which are down here. Let's get hammering. It's raining and we've found a little bit of a problem with our decking. It's flooding underneath. So Mike's little holes are filling up with water. All of them, not draining. So we don't think it's a good idea to have the wood sitting in all this water when it rains. Look at this one. So what he's done, he's gone out and bought a whole lot of cement. And what he's going to do, he's going to put it into the holes. Hopefully it won't then pull around our posts. So that's the plan. Let's hope it works. Got a bit of a tag team thing happening here.
I cut the decking to size and sit it down on the joists.
Then he put some drill holes in it, and then I just hammered the nails in. And while I'm hammering that one in, he goes and measures the next one. So it works quite well. It's quite efficient.
Last couple of days we've been working on the deck. This morning I went out and worked quite well and finished it off, but I made a slight mistake. I forgot to turn the camera on, so I haven't ordered the last bit. So I'll go round in a bit and show you what we've actually done to finish off the edging.
Yeah, so job well done.
Right, thank you.
Mike's finished off the deck this morning, but I was so hungover. We were partying in a bar till 2 a.m. last night. Been nursing a hangover all day.
To help the hangover, I've been hammering nails in all day. Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, most of it, that didn't help. And this is actually Coke. There's no rum involved. But yeah, the deck's looking good. Now we just need to paint it.
I finished off the edge of the decking by placing decking boards screw side up, just to give it a different texture and look.
This is Mike's completed deck. Well, it's almost completed. Just need to stain it. And then what are we going to do, Mike?
Have a deck
Warming party.
So we did click with that hand. The hammer's got to be in this hand.
No, we clicked with this hand. It's just coming up in this hand.
No, because we've got to finish the click off.
The click, and then it goes like this.
I thought it's there. And we're like that. Because we've got the click.
Okay, we put in that hand. Hold it up, sorry, when you do it there.